Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm getting ready to laminate a 4x8 sheet of plywood, 3/4 inch, and I needed to purchase another one of these Sawhorses. This is by Dewalt. I had two. I thought they were the same brand, but it looks like it's probably something that's not patented. You know, a Sawhorse, it's hard probably to patent something like that. It's not unique. This one here is Stanley, so it's the exact same thing, same concept, but yeah, I purchased this DeWalt adjustable Sawhorse, and basically I have the sheet of plywood on top of this, and I wanted to laminate it outside. I made the mistake of laminating a smaller piece inside, and the adhesive is yeah, it's pretty harsh, and didn't have the proper breathing protection, and it's something I want to do outside this time on a 4x8 sheet of plywood. But I thought, you know, I purchased this from the local big box store, and it just unfolds like that. And I never really, I mean, I just open it up. I never really use the height adjustment, but I guess that can come in handy for how you want to work on your project, what level, depending on how tall you are, where your waistline is. But yeah, you get these, and then they have measurements on them too. So I'm trying to do this with one hand. Guess I could take this outside and take a look. Yeah, so I got this third one so it wouldn't sag in the middle, but I'm realizing that they have a notch here. You can put a 2x4 in. And here's the height adjustment. So with the legs extended, that's 8 inches, and from the bottom to the top edge here, it's 40 inches. Now, since I'm going to be building a bench anyways, I've got to save myself some money and just use the 2x4s that I purchased on the notch here. And put the plywood on top of that. So these are the industrial Sawhorses. It's the same concept whether it's DeWalt or Stanley. I like them. It beats, used to buy those metal clamps and just cut the 2x4s, and then they made them so they were hinged, and now they're ready-made Sawhorses. So yeah, and then they have the notch for putting 2x4s in. Give you a nice stable working surface when you put some plywood on top of it. And the weight limit is the same on both of these, 2,500 pounds per pair. And you just put your fingers in here, pull this up, and it folds up. Bolt to open. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you're looking to buy one of these, please subscribe, like, and/or comment. Thanks for watching.